Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our new toy storage solution, a Forte stackable plastic bins organizer bought from Amazon. But wait, it's not just for toys. This versatile organizer can also be used for storing medicines, diapers, combs, books, and so much more, making it an essential addition to any household. With its convenient wheels, you can effortlessly move it around to any corner of your home, and its stackable design ensures it fits perfectly even in the smallest spaces. What's even more surprising is the amount each bin can hold. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit in each one, a detail you will only truly appreciate when you start filling them up. For those interested, I'll be adding a link to purchase this organizer in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the installation process and see just how easy it is to set up this fantastic toy storage organizer. Let's get started.